Okay, so today I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the dead grass and all the dead weeds and all the debris from my yard here. I'm just gonna use a hard plastic rake and just basically I'm gonna rake everything into a pile, put it in a leaf bag, something how we do with like dead grass or compost, anything like that. Put it in a leaf bag, dispose of it, and it's pretty easy. Everybody likes to use the lawnmower, but I didn't have a lot of grass or anything back here, so when the grass and the weeds actually died, even if I mowed on the lowest setting, the lawnmower wouldn't have caught the dead grass or anything. So I'm just gonna use the old-fashioned way, the manual way, little arm power, and just rake everything up. Something how you would do with leaves. Put it in the pile, throw it in the bag. It's fairly easy because everything is pretty much dead. So just going over it with the rake is just pull it right out the ground. It's easy. So that's what you see. I already kind of started it. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process, and then this is actually the final step before we actually till the yard and break up that first 1 to 2 inches of the soil so I can plant down my seeds. So this is the final step. We're almost there. Let's take a look around the yard. All right, so as you can see here, this is what I was talking about when I was actually raking and just pulling the dead grass and all the debris into a pile. This is a lot of the debris here, and I'm just gonna actually just pick it up, put it in a leaf bag, and dispose of it. But you see, I already started it. There's some spots still with the moss here, and once I get on a good fertilizer plan, that'll correct itself and get all that moss out of there. Today is a beautiful day. It's not too hot, it's about 75 degrees, but this is the yard. The soil is exposed now. This is what you want when you're actually about to plant some grass seeds down. You don't want anything obstructing the grass seed from germinating. And doing this whole process, remember I told you I hit the yard with about 2 applications of glyphosate, and I still have some grass growing back in. Like, this is not even grass. I think this is like poena, because this look at this. This is not grass. These are weeds, probably poena coming in. This is around that fall time, that fall season, and that's when poena starts to try to germinate. I told you once before, I got clovers actually coming in also. So, but I'm not too worried about that because I'm gonna actually spray the yard with tenacity before I put my seeds down. So whatever the glyphosate didn't kill, or well, the glyphosate killed a lot of the grass. It killed everything. But with the sun beaming down on the exposed soil, stuff was bound to germinate once again, like this. Like I said, the clovers was coming back in once again. I'm not too concerned about that because the tenacity will take care of the rest of that. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing here. I didn't want to make the video too long. Just wanted to let you know I'm still working, and we're gonna get there. This is the final step before I actually break the soil up, and I'm gonna take you guys every step of the way. Another pile, I should be done. My yard is about about 2,000 square feet, so it won't take too long. It's about maybe an hour, but it's okay. Some people like to use a tool called it's like a yard vac, and it goes over and take up dead like debris, sticks, little minor debris, little sticks and stuff, and it sucks it up. I didn't want to rent one of those machines. It's fine with me doing a little arm power. I'm okay with that. See what I'm saying? Comes right out the ground, just like this. And as you can see, it's that simple. It doesn't have to be perfect, but as long as you get the big piles of debris up, you'll be all set. You'll be fine. So let me get to work. Let me finish this up, and we're gonna go through the whole process. Thanks for tuning in.